Page 214. Focus on content. Math. Solving word problems. Mathematics in everyday life.
Word problems are mathematical problems that are expressed in words. Many word problems are about situations that happen in everyday life. Here's an example of a word problem. Movie tickets cost $6 each. Mark has $40. How many tickets can Mark buy?
Rewriting word problems.
You can solve word problems by rewriting them. Use these 5 steps. 1. Rewrite the question. Change the question into a statement. Leave a blank space for the answer. Mark can buy blank $6 movie tickets with $40. 2. Find the numbers you need. The numbers in this problem are 40 and 6. Write them on a piece of paper. 3. Choose the operation. Mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. To find the answer, you need to know how many times 6 goes into 40. You need to use division. What is 40 divided by 6? 4. Find the answer. Write the equation. 40 divided by 6 equals 6 remainder 4. Answer. Mark can buy 6 movie tickets with $40. There is a remainder of 4, so $4 is left. 5. Check your answer. Check a division answer by multiplying. Then add the remainder. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 plus 4 equals 40.
Simplifying word problems.
Before you go on, solve this problem. You can do it in your workbook. You don't need to do it in your notebook, your workbook. Use the 5 steps. The 5 steps. Pencils are 20 cents each. Mary has 90 cents. How many pencils can she buy? When you're done, you can start the video again.
Another strategy for solving word problems is simplifying. One way to simplify is to cross out unnecessary information. Look at the information crossed out in this problem. The Posadas want to buy a house. They want to know the size of the land that the house is built on. The yard around the house is 36 meters long by 28.5 meters wide. How many square meters is the land? After you cross out unnecessary information, what remains? The numbers and the words long, wide, and square meters. This tells us that the problem is about area. You know that area is length times width. Now you can write and solve the equation.
So we have length times width, and that is called area.
36 times 28.5 equals 1,026 square meters.
And you also know you can write square meters as meters squared. Vocabulary. Look at the reading again. Write words you don't know in your notebook. Try to guess their meanings from other words. Then check them using a translator, Google Translator, etc. So here are the questions. By the way, here's a nice list of vocabulary words. Let's say them together. Addition. addition, area, area, division, division, equation, equation, multiplication, multiplication, remainder, remainder, subtraction, subtraction. What are the 5 steps for solving a word problem? The 5 steps for solving a word problem are: rewrite the question. 2. Find the numbers you need. 3. Choose the operation. 4. Find the answer. 5. Check your answer. What are the 4 mathematical operations? The 4 mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How can you check a division answer? Check a division answer by multiplying. How can you simplify a word problem? How can you simplify a word problem? You can simplify a word problem by crossing out unnecessary information and then looking at what remains. The phrase goes into expresses a division operation, like 6 goes into 40. What kind of operation does times express, like 30 times 28.5? Do you know the answer? What operation says times? That's right, multiplication is the operation that uses the phrase times. Now please work in your workbook.